What are you doing, Stuart?
That's what it look like I'm doing.
Oh, being testy.
Painting the stove.
So we took the stove out of the scary cabin to start getting it prepared to put into the new cabin. And you guys saw in the last video that we tiled the hearth so we can put the stove down there. Oh yeah, don't forget we gotta tape that off.
Yeah, gee, thanks. Appreciate it.
So Stuart took all the fire brick out of the wood stove. There were some that were broken, so he bought replacement bricks, a new seal for the door. He sanded the whole thing down because there was quite a bit of rust. And why not make it look pretty before we put it in the new cabin, right? So that's what we're doing.
That's what who's doing? We
You! Hey, I'm trying to clean the glass. It already, even with that little coat on the top.
The half coat.
The half coat, yeah. And we're probably still going to see some of those divots, but that's okay. It'll be shiny. It'll look better. We didn't get to get it on video. Stuart had to actually drill out the screws in the door that holds in the glass.
Yeah, the screws broke off, so I had to retap a bunch of the holes.
And it worked out good.
Yeah, the only screws I was able to find were bigger than the factory screws, and I'm not going to pay, I don't know, the $6 they want for 8 factory screws. So I also had to make the holes deeper to accommodate
The screws that we have.
the screws that we have and that we have access to. So shake.
Smile while you shake. Getting ready to clean the glass for the fireplace door. There's a lot of etching in it. And we found a video online where you use cerium oxide. You make a paste with water. And then one of these polishing pads on a sander. It's hard to believe that that's going to take out this etching that we couldn't get out by trying to scrub it. I'm anxious to see what happens. Take you outside where it's noisy with the generator, and we'll see what happens. So I worked on the glass. It's better, but the film is still there. And we did a little bit more research online, and it looks like we're supposed to have a felt polishing pad, and what we got was a wool polishing pad. So we're going to go ahead and install this in the door, and we'll order a felt one and then just take it back out and do it again once we get the felt one and see what a difference that makes. You can see there on the top how clear it is, and then you go down. It's not very clear. Can't believe how thick that stuff is.
We'll find out. Yeah.
Oh wow. Yeah,
Right.
that's a lot tighter
So
squeeze.
we'll get that bad boy on there nice and tight to push it into that glue.
Look how pretty.
See, honey, it cleaned the glass. Look at it. You can see in there.
Yeah, it looks a lot better. It could be better than it was.
It's a lot.
It is better than it was.
It's like
Yeah.
100 times better than it was.
I couldn't even really tell. So we'll be curing the paint tomorrow. And we know we should have done this outside, but we're still in a band burn up here. So we're just going to do it in here and open up all the windows and doors. It's supposed to be kind of cold and rainy tomorrow, so tomorrow's probably the perfect day to do it. Then we'll be set for winter. We used the old chimney stack that was up in the scary cabin, which we'll probably replace sooner or later.
Later.
What'd you say?
Later.
Yeah.
It looks pretty, Rinker. What you gotta say for yourself?
Woohoo.
That's it? Look at the camera and give Miss Shelley King a honorable mention.
Shelly King! Yeah, you rock!
Goose is enjoying the first fire of the season. What you think about that, Goose? So we're curing the paint. It's supposed to be up to like 600 degrees?
600 degrees.
600 degrees for 45 minutes. We've got windows open in here because it's going to bake us out. But we can actually see the fire now. Look at that. You like that, Goose? What'd you think, Goose? Isn't that cool? Oh, now you got to come over here. Till next time.